By press time, preparations for the Watoto Church 2025 Christmas Cantata were in high gear at Old Kampala Secondary School, with the teams working around the clock to ensure everything is set for the annual production. Held under the theme Son of God, this year's Christmas Cantata will be staged in an outdoor venue to accommodate the growing number of attendees, following consistent concerns about limited space at Watoto Church downtown premises. Addressing the media, Pastor Julius Rwotlonyo explained the uniqueness of this year's cantata and the decision to move it to an open venue, emphasizing accessibility and inclusivity for all worshippers.
We have some of our artists in this city who are also going to be a part of it, different church choirs. So we want to invite the city to come and let's sing Christmas carols together. That's Wednesday night. We'll take a break on Thursday so that we set up for the productions, which are going to happen from Friday the 19th through to Monday the 22nd. It's going to be absolutely phenomenal. Now, because we know we're getting crowds, we can host just over 10,000 people in each sitting, which is really about 8 times what our building could host in one sitting. So we've really expanded it and 4 shows. So that's an expectation of close to 50,000 people that can get to watch the Christmas Cantata this year, as opposed to 20,000 people, 25,000 that were watching it before.
Pastor Rwotlonyo cautioned Christians against conmen, stressing that attendance at the Christmas Cantata is completely free of charge and that no one should pay money to access the venue.
As a matter of fact, every event we do as Watoto is free. We never charge, and in case we use tickets, which is usually a way to control crowds, they are always free tickets. And so anybody in the public that is being promised a seat or guaranteed access because you're purchasing a ticket, there is nothing like that.
Watoto Church, of course, is a local church here in Kampala and in Juba, South Sudan. But we also see ourselves as part of the body of Christ in the city. And we have friends, we have brothers, we have sisters. We'll be coming together. I think it's going to be such a powerful night. Imagine a huge choir of different churches coming together.
Luke Oyesjiri, the deputy spokesperson for Kampala Metropolitan Police, assured the public of tight security, saying police will work closely with sister security agencies to ensure safety of all attendees.
We are expected as security to provide security for all those that are planning to participate in this activity. The security you offer is from the way you act, starts from the roads you use, where you park. I'm meant to understand that the organizers have booked some parking places. All those places that have been booked by the organizers will be given security so that your vehicles are not vandalized or stolen.
He urged members of the public to strictly follow the safety guidelines and cooperate with the security personnel to avoid inconvenience during the event.
It's an event for Watoto Church. I believe if you're a leader and you want to speak on a Watoto Church event, you need to contact Watoto Church first. You will not force your way inside because you have a group of people, disrupt traffic, because as you can see, there is a whole plan that we're going to come up with to do with traffic, where people are going to pass, where people are going to park. But because you're a politician, you come and you want to force your way in because you want to speak to people who are going to be gathered.
Various partners and stakeholders, including Caris Medical Hospital and Safe Border, also reaffirmed their commitment to supporting the event through subsidized services, including free medical checkups and safe transport solutions.
Do first aid, and we'll collaborate with the team here as well for the medical team at Watoto. But think about doing all manners of first aid. Free medical checks will be happening here as well, like, during the period when people are waiting for the production to begin. And, blood sugar and all emergencies that we'll be able to take care of.
Our main cause here is to make sure whoever is coming to the venue on the 5 days has massive discounts, a seamless movement to the venue, both on cars and borders. We have massive discounts for you.
The Watoto Church Christmas Cantata is an annual production that blends music, dance, drama, audio-visual effects and popular Christmas songs to tell the story of Jesus Christ and share the message of God's love. This year's show brings together more than 1,000 performers and crew members. John Baptist Ahunza, Church of Uganda, Family TV News at 8.
Thank you very much.